So this is 6:22 in the morning, as you guys can see. My boy Jason's finally come back from the army, so we finna go pick him up real quick and get the day started from there. But let's get to it, baby. So I don't know if you can see this, but I still haven't got the screw for my wing, so probably finna go head to where I got the wing from and send it to the industry. It's called Icon Motorsports, and see if I can get a replacement screw and get that in so I can go get my Wickerbill today. See you guys at the airport. Up a little bit before we get there. Come on, baby. Shouldn't be playing this arc lane, but I just need to get there real quick. So we're at LAX now. So I believe he's at Terminal 5 in Section 1 or some shit like that. I don't really know how the airport works too good, but we'll see when we get there. Here with my guy at Arco again. But you see what's going on. Tell him what's the deal, Jay.
What's the deal?
Little nigga. Guys, so we here at Home Depot now, and we just trying to find what kind of screw we need for this to go in. I had called Icon Motorsports and they told me a 10mm hex bolt, but I'm pretty sure that's not what a 10mm hex bolt look like. So we're just basically seeing they could find kind of screw that we need so we could get this back on and head to go get my Wickerbill. But catch you guys later. Handy man. See if he get it going on.
We're gonna have to use pliers.
Testing this rod now. That's the one?
Yeah.
So what's that at? M8?
M6.
Oh, M6. 1.0. The screws we need, the M6, the chain screw, and then we have the washer form. So we're gonna see what this works out. Hopefully it does, and we'll get the Wickerbill put on. I don't feel like it's screwing. Fuck. Oh, it is. So we got the first, got that in. That fit perfect. Thanks to my man right here. But shit, it don't feel tight. I think my shirt is not gonna be down there. There you go. Fuck it, that's fuck it. Now we gotta get the other side going. How that rev sound?
That rev was cool. It was cool.
Oh, it was cool.
It was cool. I wasn't expecting it to be that loud.
Oh, fuck. Where'd the other one go? Can you push that wing up? The wing up a little bit? There you go.
Is it in there?
Appreciate it, my man. Be on the little block, I might have to come smash through it.
For sure.
See how it sounds full power. So, thanks to my boy right there. Got my wing locked down. Everything's good now. Ooh, time to go get the Wickerbill, baby.
You left all that glue, huh?
Oh, yeah. I was
You
just
go
showing.
to AutoZone, they have some spray called Goof Off.
Yeah.
Spray it on there and let it.
Oh, I didn't even clean my car yet. I was just
Huh?
wanted to,
Oh,
yeah.
all right.
I was gonna do it, clean everything before I wrap it and everything.
All right.
Yeah, I did that like 2 days ago. I
Oh,
just put my wing
even
on.
before we wrap it, we're gonna clean it. So.
All right. Do I have the tinted glass?
Which one? Yeah.
Does it cost extra for that?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Yeah, I like that tinted glass. So let's see how the Wickerbill looking right now. Got that tinted glass on. Sheesh. Looking real good. Got the Wickerbill done. It's looking pretty good. You want something to shop details and everything?
Huh?
You want something to shop
Nah,
details?
camera shot.